Hey guys, Vardhan here and welcome back to my channel Tech War. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Deno. So what exactly is Deno? Is it a game or is it a programming language? Nope. Deno is a secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. Wait, doesn't this definition sound familiar to that of Node? Yes, you're right. Here is the word Node, and if I cut this and paste it here, the word Deno is formed. So both the words node and Deno are anagrams. So does Deno gonna replace node, or both Deno and node same? No. And Deno is not the fork of node code, but both the authors of Deno and node are same. Deno is started at 2018 and it has released its first version in 2020 May. So what exactly is it? Deno is simple, modern, secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript that uses V8 and is built in Rust. Did you see this term secure? Secure here again. Secure by default. No file network or environment access unless explicitly enabled. Let us see this through code. What exactly Deno wants to say. In this code, I just wrote like I'm just reading the file and printing the contents of the file to the console. Let me run this. Deno run main.ts. Oops, error. Uncaught permission denied. Read access to file server.ts. Run again with the allow read flag. This is what the Deno was talking about. Like that of Node, it will not allow you to access files, or you cannot do network calls to the outside network. But like to do such things, you need to explicitly specify using few flags. Here are the few flags: allow env, allow net, allow read, allow write. This is all you can find the documentation too. So in this code, let me run this by allowing the file. So here I'm giving the read access to this. It got compiled and it displayed the contents of the server.ts file, right? Let me show you another code. In this code, I'm just fetching the data from the dummy server. This server gives me an array of employee objects. That's it. Let me run this code. Deno run employee.ts. Error while fetching employees, permission denied. Network access to dummy server. Run again with the allow.net flag. So it is not even allowing the network access without specifying explicitly. Okay, cool. Let me specify, sorry, allow net, and run this code again. Yeah, so this is the data I got from this dummy server. Wait, pause your video for half minute or 1 minute. You can find something awkward in this code which you will not find in the node code. Yep, you're right. The wait await. Here the wait await is used without the keyword async. You're shocked, right? Yeah. Like in node code, you need to wrap the await inside an async function or async block, right? But this is not the case with Deno. Like Deno supports top level await out of the box. So without the need of async keyword, you can use await keyword. Let me show you this code server.ts. Yeah, and one more advantage to that of Deno is you need not install any npm packages here. You can install if you want, but you can directly fetch the libraries you need from the URL. Like you need not do npm xyz, npm abc, and node modules and all those. Like it will directly fetch these libraries from the URL and it will serve you. Here I am just creating a server on local port 8000 and I'm just uh, sending the response as a text hello world. That's it. So I'll run this. Sorry, Deno run. We need to allow the flags, right? Because here I'm making an outside call to server.ts, so I need to allow, without which it will throw an error. Allow net, what is the file name? Server.ts. Yes. So let me open this localhost 8000. Yeah, so you can see the code hello world. It's all about Deno. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment box. See you very soon. Bye bye.